Hey guys, it's Tuesday, November 17th. Today you are going to be looking at characters and how characters help create themes. So the first thing that you need to look at is this link here. So you guys have probably in middle school gone over words like protagonist, antagonist, major characters, minor characters. Those should be review things. But the definitions are here for you. So what you need to do is go through and look at this information that's on here, read through it quickly. And then think about when you're analyzing character, we need to consider the character's motivation. We need to consider their actions. We need to consider what they say, what they do, descriptions of them, and names. Names are really important because they don't just come to us named. The author has to pick which name they're going to name their character. And usually names, especially if it's a name that is maybe unusual, names always mean something. So as you read through your book, you need to pay attention to your characters. You guys are going to be analyzing characters, so I have an example paragraph for you here that I would like you to read through so that you can see what an example analysis of a character looks like. So read through that. Then what you need to do, let's go back here. We're going to look at characters in the story Muffin. So if you click on this, it'll ask you to make a copy. And this is what you will need to do. So think back to yesterday when we read the story Muffin. You need to put in our main character. What are her flaws? What does she like? What does she dislike? What are her personality traits that you see coming out? What does she look like? What's her motivation? So like, why does she act? Why does she do the things she does? What's her internal struggle? So what's going on? What's her internal problem? And who's the antagonist and what are the issues between them. After you fill out all of those boxes, then I want you to look at all of them, and based on the character and all of these pieces that you have of this character, all of this analysis of this character that you have, I want you to figure out what you think the theme is just based on the character. So, what three-part theme statement is there based on the character? If you are having some issues with theme, I have a quick little cheat sheet here for you that you can look at. That, remember, a theme includes a topic, a claim, and a qualification. And then those parts are listed out here for you so that you can see the definitions. So that's what you need to do today. When you're finished with this, you can submit it to the Dropbox. You should also make an extra copy of it because we're going to be doing the same thing for your story when you get a little further into your story. If you still have not chosen a book, you need to do that. You remember, books have to be read by December 7th. So make sure that you've chosen a book and that you've filled out that book choice selection form. That is it for today. If you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great day.